I'm Paul Warren. This is Samantha Rayner. We're a company called Preventapuncture. We're here today to try and excrete 50,000 investment from the Dragons, so we can put a mobile service on the road, and B, to create an awareness of our product and our company, and the benefits of both.
Our product basically stops you from ever getting punctures. It's a formula that we put into a tyre, and once you put it into the tyre, the air doesn't escape anymore, so you don't get any punctures, and you can go around driving with peace of mind and never having to look at your tyres to see if they need to be inflated.
Sam will be more about the figures and
Marketing.
the marketing and where we intend to go to, that type of thing. Mine will be more about how it's developed and how we install it, and the benefits of putting it into your tyres.
I suppose as well we're both pretty optimistic by nature, and even if we don't get our investment here today, we have a fantastic product, and it isn't the only way to develop it. This is one branch of developing our product, but there are other people out there that will capture their imaginations as well. So once we have a good experience with the Dragons, obviously we'd love to get an investment, but it's not going to be the end of our world if we don't.